Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com. This weekend I'm planning to go round and see a Ukrainian friend of mine, and as we were texting trying to sort out the details, she asked me if she should cook some draniki for my visit. Draniki are these kind of potato pancakey things that she knows I'm a big fan of. So I texted back and said, yeah, that wouldn't go amiss. If you say that something wouldn't go amiss or might not go amiss, you basically mean it would be useful and it would help to improve a situation. So maybe if you're really angry with someone and you're waiting for them to say sorry to you for something bad they've done, you might say, hey, listen, a word of apology might not go amiss. Do you know what I mean? Maybe if you feel that friends of yours are getting worked up about something that you don't think is such a big problem, they're making a mountain out of a molehill, you might say to them, listen, a sense of proportion wouldn't go amiss in all of this. And it can also be used to talk about the past. So maybe you've had to watch a presentation and you think that it wasn't very well prepared, that the person presenting didn't spend much time on it. When they ask you what you thought of it, you might respond by saying, yeah, it was okay, but to be honest, I think maybe a bit more time spent on preparation wouldn't have gone amiss. It would have been a good idea. It would have been a good thing. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use wouldn't go amiss or might not go amiss.